Think your yard is too small for a garden? Think again. In this video, I'll show you smart and stylish vertical gardening ideas that fit any small space, whether you have a tiny yard, a narrow patio, or just a sunny wall. Vertical gardening saves space, improves airflow, reduces pests, and turns plain walls or fences into productive green zones. Let's explore some creative ways to grow up, not out. Use railings, fences, or even shepherd hooks to hang planters. Great for herbs, strawberries, or trailing flowers. Bonus, use recycled buckets, cans, or even old mugs. Grow climbing veggies like beans, peas, or cucumbers on trellises. You can attach them to walls, balconies, or raised beds. They look beautiful and are super productive. Turn an old wooden pallet into a garden by lining it with landscape fabric and filling the gaps with soil. Perfect for shallow-rooted plants like lettuce, herbs, or succulents. Yes, gutters. Mount them horizontally on a wall or fence and plant leafy greens or herbs. Add holes for drainage and stack them in tiers for a modern look. Repurpose a hanging shoe organizer into a vertical herb garden. Just fill the pockets with potting mix and plant away. Easy, affordable, and great for balconies. Use store-bought or DIY stackable planters to grow a ton in one spot. Perfect for strawberries, lettuce, spinach, or flowers, and they look great on patios. An old ladder or tiered shelf can become a vertical garden with just a little creativity. Paint it, place pots on each step, and voila, instant vertical garden centerpiece. Vertical gardens dry out faster, so here are 2 tips. Use a simple drip irrigation system, or use plastic bottles with holes poked in the cap for slow-release watering. Look how these small spaces turned into beautiful, edible gardens, all by growing vertically. Whether you're a beginner or a plant pro, there's a vertical setup that'll work for you. No backyard, no problem. Which vertical idea will you try first? Let me know in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this with a fellow plant lover. Your dream garden might just be one wall away.
Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.